Smarts is here to democratize MEV technology. They give everyday users access to automated MEV strategies that extract maximum profit from the markets. Today, you can actually join thousands of traders front-running profitable trades with the Smarts MEV Bot. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. We got automated MEV strategies. We're talking about maximum profit extraction. Now listen, if you guys don't know anything about this, we're talking about demystifying MEV for everyday traders. Billions of dollars, they move through crypto every single day. So here, they're going to be helping create, we're talking about constant price swings, liquidity gaps, and exploitable inefficiencies until now. So they're going to be helping you extract value from these opportunities that have been reserved for institutional players in highly specialized bots. You heard that correct, you guys. All right, that's what they're doing. That's what they're creating. And we even have right here with their Smarts MEV Bot, retail traders can finally access these same strategies. You guys, we're talking about by identifying high impact trades and automatically executing precise trade positions. They transform everyday market activity into profitable opportunities. All right. You guys are probably thinking, why would you want to be part of this? I mean, that right there is a great question. You have access literally to the most advanced MEV bots in the entire market. It is fully automated by MEV Trading, right? Effortless and efficient. You can actually grow your rewards by expanding, especially whenever it comes to, say, the community. Not only that, you can enjoy priority access to exclusive bot features and incentives, okay? You guys will see right here, they kind of talk about the unfair advantage that you have been missing out on. So obviously we got stay ahead with real-time monitoring. We got zero technological setup required. That's really good, at least in my opinion. We even have right here capture constant micro profits. We're talking about 0.5 through 5%. That's good. And then we even have front run and profit effortlessly. All right. So they are redefining MEV training, or let's say trading, okay? So we got fair MEV access, we got optimized executions, and then we even have unlocked MEV profitability. So you guys, as stated, this is a game changer in my opinion. And we even have the average profit right there at about 0.1 Solana. We have total profit right there, literally over 800K. And we even have the victim count over 20,000. So built for opportunity. Optimized for speed, automatic profit detection. We got optimized for maximum gains, 100% hands-free trading, 24/7 profit extraction. We got gas fee optimization. We got zero market risk. We got secure and profit, and then we even have expert built. So definitely changing the game. So how exactly does this work? I mean, that's a great question. You guys will see right here, we have off-chain sandwich simulation. Then we even have attack execution and profit extraction, okay? So obviously the bots, they do their scanning, they run algorithmic simulations to calculate, obviously, the optimal front run amount for maximum gains. And it constructs and tests the full sandwich bundle in their off-chain SVM to validate profitability. That's actually pretty cool. And we have over here submits transaction bundle, and we have executes the front run by buy before the victim, right? Causing price to be pushed up within their slippage tolerance. And then obviously instantly background the victim, selling at higher price to lock in guaranteed profits. That right there is actually pretty smart. You guys will even see right here, trusted by traders for consistent gains. I like that. And you guys can even see right here, you're going to be able to start launching. So a few things I would like to talk about. So obviously you guys learned a lot already, but you guys will see right here that they do have a Getbook. On this Getbook, there's a lot of important details talking about Smarts, talking about everything it has to offer. We even have unlocking the power of MEV. So obviously important details there. We have understanding the strategies, right? Then after that, we have the ultimate MEV trading platform. Very true. Community, obviously is the growth here, which is good. And then obviously they do have an About Us section, okay, which is awesome. Now, if we go ahead and continue, you guys will even see right up here, they do have important details under analytics, just to break it down for you. So we got like top tokens. You guys will even see over here that we do have smart money as well. And then finally, we even have trend insights. But some of the biggest things I would like to talk about here is going to be under the MEV tab. So you guys will see right here, we have the bot, and then obviously we have the stats, right? So obviously the stats here, you guys, they are extremely important, okay? And I want you guys to understand that. So you guys will see right here, estimated profit today. These are the stats. Average profit, are, as we've already briefly talked about. We even have total profit. We got total count, victim count, as we mentioned earlier. We have top sandwich trades, so you guys can actually see these that were executed, right? Profit, cost extracted, and you guys will even see right here trade streams, which are actually really cool, right? We got the bot, we got the victim, right? It just kind of continues. You guys can see how quick these are, which is actually really good. Down below, you can even see right here source sandwich percentage. So obviously, you guys can see right here a whole bunch of important details, right? Like the bunk bot, deck screener, okay? And you guys can even see the overall heat map. Technically, this is what it's called, right? Which is good. And we even have the daily sandwich trade profit. So this actually looks really good in my opinion. Continuing on, you guys will even see over here that we do have the bots, all right? So literally all you got to do is connect your wallet. I want you guys to understand that. Obviously, this is going to be the place where you can actually activate your bot. You can select contract options and you can track your earnings, all right? So obviously they are currently running 2 promos right now. And you guys can actually see right here, you can activate your bot and let it trade 24/7 for you, right? You're going to be able to easily connect your wallet. So for example, let's say we want to use a Phantom here. Let's just kind of like log in so you guys can see exactly how easy and simple this is, right? We're just going to go ahead and connect and you guys will see that, okay, which is good. And technically we're going to go ahead and just confirm, okay? So that is literally all you have to do. And you guys will see right here that we do have MEV, all right? So obviously supports multiple currencies. We got wallet, we got earnings, we got average daily return, right? And you guys can actually see that. So that is actually pretty cool. I like that. And we even have right here that their MEV Bot is alive, all right? So invite now. This is going to be very important to you guys. And I'm going to tell you right now that they do have a refer page. Let's actually just kind of talk about that really quick. But you guys will see right here, bonus contracts, we got binding, right? You guys can see that right here, bind to refer to unlock the invitation feature, okay? So I want you guys to understand, all right? Please enter your invitation code, right? So there's going to be a lot of important details that you can actually get here, right? But not only that, but I want you guys to understand that you're going to be able to track basically your environment, especially whenever it comes to bonuses, right? In the form of bonus contracts is what they're called. Not only that, but community rewards, obviously, from your referrals, all right? So technically, you can enjoy 10% in community rewards from direct referrals and 5% in community rewards from other referrals, okay? Which is actually pretty big as mentioned. I want you guys to understand that. So literally you can just activate this, right? You're gonna be able to go through the process and everything, which is actually pretty cool. So I like this. Super awesome and super exciting. You guys will even see over here, we have all of our important details as well, right? And we got that refer, okay? You guys can see that, okay? So obviously this is going to be easy and simple. But anyways, if we go back to our MEV, right, MEV bot, you guys will see it right here. You're going to be able to check everything out, a whole bunch of important details. Once again, you're going to be able to invite now. You're going to be able to activate. You can enjoy a limited time promo price of literally 9.9, okay? So price hint, okay? So I want you guys to understand they do have a pre-launch promo, right? And technically one invite, let's say for 2 friends, it's going to unlock a free MEV Bot subscription. Not only that, to subscribe now, we're talking about lifetime access, as mentioned, for that 9.9 USDT. And this is a limited time promo. So 1 subscription, you get permanent edge, no reoccurring fees, and no hassles. All right. Now, once again, activate the bot. You can activate the bonus. All right. You guys will see that right here. Okay. So you're going to be able to boost earnings with the activation bonus based on your initial deposit. And technically, you can actually earn up to 8% extra, right? So the bonus rates, obviously by contract duration, 1 day, not eligible. 7 days up to 3%, 30 days up to 5%, and 100 days up to 8%. So for example, let's say you put in 1,000 USDT deposit on a 100-day contract, it earns an additional 80 USDT as a bonus. But remember guys, a limited time offer. This ends May 31st. So literally just a few days from now. All right. So activate your MEV bot today. Claim your bonus before it is gone. Okay. Very important you guys understand that. And finally, if you guys would like to, you can definitely check out all of these links. We got the Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and the official websites. All right. All the links are going to be down below. You guys dive down into what is known as Smarts. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, if you will, please let me know, what did you guys think about MEV? What do you guys think about everything that they had to offer? All right, so check it out down below. The links are going to be in the description. Be sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and check out the comments. More importantly, you can actually leave a comment yourself. Tell us what you think. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.